ever see a vehicle so powerful, so confident that it looks like it owns every road and every mountain? Well, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser is exactly that. And the crazy part? Toyota didn't just update it, they rebuilt a legend from the ground up. Stick with me, because this SUV is about to prove why it still rules the wild. Let's dive in. For decades, the Land Cruiser has been the king of adventure, outlasting storms, deserts, jungles, you name it. And now, for 2026, Toyota has unleashed a version that's tougher, smarter, and more capable than anything in its class. Rivals like the Mercedes GLE, Jeep Wrangler, and Land Rover Defender can try, but this machine, it's built different. Here's the truth. Most SUVs force you to choose. Either you get comfort but no off-road strength, or you get a rough, fuel-hungry beast that's terrible for daily life. Not anymore. The 2026 Land Cruiser blends both worlds into one unstoppable package. On the outside, it looks fierce, sharper edges, a wider stance, that aggressive grille, and LED headlights that slice through the night. The rear is tougher, more modern, and full of attitude. Whether you take it through desert sand or cruise through a crowded city, it demands respect everywhere it goes. Step inside, and the vibe flips from rugged to refined. Premium leather, soft touch surfaces, and Toyota's latest 12.3-inch touchscreen make the cabin feel like an adventure lounge. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, JBL Audio, everything is built for long trips and tough terrain. Plus, the digital gauge cluster adapts to your driving mode: city, highway, or hardcore off-road. But here's where things get serious. The 2026 Land Cruiser comes standard with a hybrid powertrain, a 2.4-liter turbo engine paired with an electric motor, pushing out 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of. That's enough to embarrass a Wrangler on rocky climbs and still save fuel on highways. 0 to 60 in about 7.5 seconds. Full-time four-wheel drive, locking diffs, crawl control. This SUV doesn't just survive tough terrain, it dominates it. And even with all this muscle, it still gives over 25 mpg combined. That's way better than gas-hungry off-roaders like the Defender. Starting around $55,000, it's easily one of the best value adventure SUVs of the decade. So here's the question: is the 2026 Land Cruiser the ultimate go-anywhere machine? If you could take it anywhere, mountains, beach, desert, where are you driving first?